Welcome guys, today I will show you how to force restart Motorola Edge 70. Okay, to do this, you should hold down power key with volume up key at the same time for around 10 seconds until the device turned off. Let's try. We are still holding until we will see the black screen and then the welcome logo like this. Okay, wait for a while. And voila! We just performed force restart on Motorola Edge 70. It will helpful for you if the device hangs off, etc. So thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, like it, subscribe our channel, leave some comment below, and see you in the next videos. Goodbye.